G'day, it's Alex here from Kallipr, and this is a different kind of video, but I'm out here with another local city council installing one of our ROMA kits behind me, which is being used to monitor mainline water pressure, which is located down in a pit over there. Now that's feeding back into our device, which is housed in this enclosure, which has got a solar panel on it to ensure it's fully charged and that we can get some really rapid data collection for that mainline pressure monitoring. And there's our device tucked up inside the kit. And this is a really good example of how our device and solutions can be leveraged in remote monitoring applications to ensure that our device can rapidly monitor sensor data and still get power from the integrated solar panel with no need for fixed power on site. And this is just one location where our device and solution is being mounted to monitor the mainline pressure. There's going to be others dotted around this local area to ensure that the council has an aggregated trend of what the pressure is doing throughout the network.